Hey guys, and welcome to beautiful sunny Ibiza. Yay! I am so excited to be in one of my all-time favorite places in the world. So I'm going to be here for the next kind of 8-9 days. The first few days we're chilling out. We're staying in gorgeous Ibiza Old Town, if you can see behind me. It's one of the prettiest cities in Europe, I think. But I'm biased because I love it here. And then the last few days I've got all the influencer girls coming down, and we have got the most epic Ultimate Ibiza Itinerary. We're going to be going clubbing, we're going to be going to all the best beach bars, hanging out on the beaches, getting a bit of a spa treatment, and it is going to be fantastic. So if you are planning to come to Ibiza, definitely keep watching, because I'm going to show you all the best places to go and some of the best Instagram spots along the way. So come and join me.
Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete, de la forma que tú besas, mami.
So I've just arrived at Pikes Hotel, which is one of the most amazing and kind of iconic hotels in Ibiza. It's where they filmed, Wham filmed Club Tropicana in the 80s. Also Freddie Mercury and loads of famous people used to come here, and it was like a real kind of where the party scene really started. So I'm just meeting my friend here for a drink, but they're having this really cute Earth Day. So there's lots of kind of artists, there's people doing Reiki and massages, and there's all kinds of things going on, fashion designers and you know, kind of soul readings and all sorts of things. So come and have a look around and join me.
Origami, de la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies.
I'm here with the gorgeous Ashley, who's Miss Gunner on Instagram. Hello. We've just arrived at Zaro Spa and Hotel, which
amazing.
Is incredible. It's literally one of the most beautiful spa hotels.
My first time here.
Yay! I'm so excited to show it to you.
Yeah,
I think
I
you're going to love it.
know.
So we've got a full day booked in here. We're going to go for swims, do some yoga, have lunch, and then we've got massages.
Yay!
So come and join us. We just had the most amazing massage in these beautiful massage rooms behind me. But when you step out, look how gorgeous this kind of lily pond and spa area is. It literally is one of the most beautiful places, I think, on the planet. It's gorgeous. We've just had the most gorgeous day at Zaro, haven't we?
I feel so relaxed and happy.
I love how beautiful it is here. Literally everywhere you look, it's flowers and blue and
food
grass.
was amazing.
Food was great.
So I'm gonna,
massage was amazing.
Yeah, my lady was. Oh, I was in heaven.
It was amazing. I highly recommend that you come to Zaro if you're in Ibiza. It's literally my favourite place
Definitely.
here.
And you know what we mean.
Yeah.
Because like Von keeps telling me about this place, and now that I'm here, I'm like, okay.
I come every year. It's amazing. Excited to be at beautiful Zaro Beach today. So as you can see, it's a gorgeous venue with beautiful day beds, the sea over there, and then a little lunch kind of dining area. There's Mel, hello! So we're going to be having a little photo shoot first, then a spot of lunch, and then we're going to just chill and relax and have a beautiful day. So come and join us. We're having a lovely lunch with all the ladies who are taking photos of the food, which is quite fun. But as with at Zaro Hotel, all the produce is grown at the actual hotel kind of gardens. and then all the fish is fished in the local area, and it's all very sustainable and yummy, and so excited to eat it. So see you in a bit. The most incredible day here at Zara Beach. We went for a little swim in the sea over there just behind me, and it's so crystal clear all the way out. Then we spent the day on the day bed and went for some lunch. I think that was Mel trying to say hello to me. Hi! No, it's my YouTube.
Oh, hi YouTube.
Hello. Hi YouTube. And now we're going to head off to a little beach bar and have some dinner, and then an early night tonight, I think, because we've had such a hectic time. But it's going to be good, so come with us. So I'm with the girls. We're all in pink or blue or white today. We're just arriving at Ushuaia, and we're going to David Guetta, Fuck Me and Famous. Yay! We've got an amazing yacht today, so we're going on a yacht trip to Formentera. The whole gang is here. We're going to have lovely lunch at Bercea Beach Club, and then do some swimming and hang out. It's going to be fab. Come and join us. We're at the hippie market. Beautiful. So basically there's loads of different hippie markets in Ibiza. This is the one in Punta Arabi, but there's actually one in Las Dalias which is really big, but some are on different days. So Punta Arabi, it's Wednesday today, so we're at this one, but it's really cute. They've got loads of trinkets, lots of bohemian jewellery and like floaty dresses.
We're gonna shop.
This.
We're gonna shop.
We're gonna do some shopping. Shall we go?
Let's go.
Yeah. From Ibiza for now. I've literally had the most amazing trip. I absolutely love this place so much. It's still my favourite place in the world. Loved the boat trip to Formentera, all the clubbing, going to Pasha and Ushuaia, and then also all the lovely kind of chilled out things like hanging out in Ibiza Old Town, and visiting the hippie market and the beaches. So I hope that you enjoyed my vlog. If you did, please leave a like, a comment and subscribe below, because every little helps. And I hope that it's helped a little bit if you're planning a trip to Ibiza, show you around the island a little bit, and see that there's clubbing, but there's also really other fun stuff and chilled out activities that you can do as well. So from me and Ibiza, it's over and out. Adios guys, bye.